choice.
More people than ever spend most of their day sitting, at a desk, in front of a computer, at home, or in a car, and yet many feel exhausted long before the workday ends. If you feel mentally drained, if your focus fades, if your body feels heavy even though you have not done physical labor, this video is for you. In the next minutes, you will learn why sitting work causes so much fatigue, what daily mistakes quietly drain your energy, and most importantly, how to protect yourself from exhaustion using simple, realistic habits. No extreme routines, no expensive supplements. Stay until the end, because you will walk away with a complete system you can start using tomorrow, whether you work in an office or from home. Let us begin with the core issue. Why does sitting make us so tired? It looks harmless. You are not lifting weights, you are not running, you are not sweating. But the human body was not designed to stay still for hours. When you sit too long, blood flow slows down. Muscles become inactive. Breathing becomes shallow. The brain receives less oxygen. This leads to sleepiness, brain fog, and loss of focus. One of the biggest contributors to fatigue is poor posture. A rounded back, shoulders rolled forward, head pushed toward the screen. This position forces certain muscles to work non-stop just to hold you upright. Even when you think you are resting, your body is under strain. Over time, this creates chronic fatigue, neck stiffness, headaches, eye strain, and that familiar feeling of being completely drained after work. Another major factor is lack of movement. When you sit for long periods, the muscles in your legs stop helping blood circulate efficiently. This can cause heaviness in the leg swelling and a full body sense of exhaustion. Breathing also plays a critical role. Most people breathe shallowly while sitting using only the upper chest. This limits oxygen intake, and oxygen is fuel for your brain. Here's the good news. All of this can be improved without turning your life upside down. Start with awareness of posture. Feet flat on the floor, knees slightly lower than hips, spine upright but relaxed, shoulders down and back, screen at eye level. Do not aim for perfect posture. Aim for movement. Even the best position becomes harmful if you stay in it too long. This leads to the next principle. Micro movement. Every 30 to 40 minutes stand up, walk a bit, roll your shoulders, stretch your back. Even 1 minute helps restore circulation and alertness. These short breaks may seem insignificant, but they are often the difference between steady energy and burnout. Finally, breathing. Slow, deep breaths through the nose, expanding the belly. This activates the calming nervous system, reduces stress, and improves focus. You now understand how posture movement and breathing affect your energy. In the next part, we will cover nutrition, hydration, and daily habits that either support you or quietly drain you. Before we continue, if this content is helpful, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below how many hours a day you spend sitting. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people. Now let us talk about a major but often ignored source of fatigue: food. Many people start their day with little or no breakfast, then rely on coffee, sugar, and snacks to push through. This causes blood sugar spikes, followed by crashes. The result is low energy, irritability, and poor concentration. To maintain steady energy, your body needs balanced meals, enough protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. This is not about strict diets. It is about smarter choices. Hydration matters just as much. Even mild dehydration can reduce mental performance and increase fatigue. When sitting for long periods, people often forget to drink water. Keep a bottle nearby and sip regularly. Stress is another hidden drain. Sitting work often comes with deadlines, notifications, and constant mental pressure. This keeps your nervous system in a high alert state all day. That is why short mental breaks are essential. Close your eyes for a minute. Take a few slow breaths. Step away from the screen. This is not wasted time. It improves productivity. Lighting also affects energy. Poor lighting or harsh artificial light strains the eyes and brain. If possible, work near natural light. Take breaks for your eyes. Look into the distance. Blink more often. A simple rule that helps is 20-20-20. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This reduces eye strain and mental fatigue. Sleep cannot be ignored. Sitting work still demands recovery. Quality sleep is the foundation of energy. Without it, no strategy works fully. You now see how food, water, stress, and environment affect fatigue. In the final part, we will combine everything into a clear daily strategy you can sustain long-term. Let us bring it all together into a practical plan. Start your day intentionally. Set up your workspace. Align your body. Take a few deep breaths before diving into tasks. This signals calm and focus. Work in cycles. Do not sit motionless for hours. Every 30 to 40 minutes, stand, move, and stretch. This keeps blood flowing and attention sharp. Eat to support energy. Avoid sugar crashes. Drink water consistently. Do not rely solely on caffeine. Take care of your mind. Step away from the screen. Breathe deeply. Reduce stress on purpose. This has a powerful effect on fatigue. Move outside of work hours as well. Walks, light exercise, stretching. These counterbalance long sitting hours. Most important, do not chase perfection. Chase consistency. Small habits repeated daily create real change. If you want more energy, clearer thinking, and less exhaustion, start with one change today and build from there. If you found this video useful, like it, subscribe to the channel, and comment which tip you will apply first. This helps the channel grow and builds a community of people who want to work and live better. Thank you for listening. Take care of your body, protect your energy, and see you in the next video.
Support us by liking and subscribing.